Today is a great day when you are celebrating the annual day function called Vaibhav. I will touch a little point here. What is Vaibhav? Vaibhav is wealth, and wealth at its peak. And today I see here in this hall, the future of this country is safe because there are a lot of young budding doctors coming up. I would like to drive to a simple point. The very concept of the human body which you are dealing regularly, most of you do the anatomy in a dead body. But I am talking about a live body. Do you all know that you are in a rented accommodation called body? This accommodation is temporary and rented. There is no permanency here. So hence is all achievement connected to this body is also temporary, transient, ephemeral, and will move out from the time. Hence the very profession you are involved is a profession called redemption of the pain. I will take in a different note this one. You are the only privileged professionals in this world who has a direct contact with the people's pain. And such a strength they get this by the moment they see the doctor. They say that, Doctor, आप मेरे भगवान हैं, मेरे पापा को बचा लो, मेरे मम्मी को बचा लो, मेरी अम्मी को बचा लो. So this is the word comes from their mouth. So when you graduate from here and go to practice in your different professional spheres, you may be radiologist, you may be a cardiologist, or you may be a orthopedician or a pediatrician, whatever you are. My only request to you is today in this August platform, kindly do not treat the patient who comes to you as your customer. I repeat my word. Kindly do not treat the patient who walks into your clinic or hospital as your customer. Please ensure that you always deal for pain redemption, but never try to deal with a customer giving you profit. You do not involve in balance sheet, but you do involve in redemption of pain. Your balance sheet is how many people's pain has been reduced. How many have come to the hospital with pain and returned back home with smiling face. That is why the Indian metaphors we say, if money is lost, nothing is lost. But if health is lost, something is definitely lost. And that health, you are a privileged doctors. Very soon you will be coming to practice. You are given the responsibility by the Almighty God. His existence is established. No need to suspect and debate on that. There is no tarka that whether God exists or not, but there is a vichara that God only exists. This body of however powerful great personality will one day pass away. Ultimately, the medical profession will get synchronized with the spiritual concept of this country. Without your mind meditating for the betterment of the patient, your hand can try to give you a medicine. Perhaps you call it many times a pseudo medicine we give. What is the pseudo things we give? We also give sometimes, ठीक है चलो इसको कुछ tablet दे दो, let him be happy. It may be just a vitamin tablet. But the doctor who gives with his hand, his mind has to be in order. And to do that, I found from our syndicate member sitting next to me that we have a system where yoga is done every day. Let me tell you, medical science is trying to understand that the Indian pattern of thinking from the ancient time to today, it is ultimately, if you can psychosomatically correct the patient on the very appearance of his in front of you, then 90% of battle is won. The medicine is the latter part of it. Medicine is not the important part of it. because there are many diseases they do not have any cure, but they can be removed from the pain list. I myself is a chronic patient of chronic osteomyelitis. Unfortunately, I was playing in Eden Gardens my cricket match and the ball struck in my left leg and I was put it into a simple casting and nobody bothered about it. After few months they realized that the whole of my body started becoming poison. And those days the surgery equipments were not that great. So hence the doctor has to really go through a process of involving the patient. So that is why the proverb is very common. A chronic patient is equal to a doctor. So he has put me into all kind of experiment and saved my leg. Because there are two things, one that fibula and tibula, one part they are removed and the one they are kept it. And they are not amputated. I still have a leg and I am walking. Thanks to that doctor who is orthopedician, Dr. A.K. Poddar. A doctor can do wonders. All my relatives used to tell me that this fellow will become langda और ये भीख मांगेगा. Thanks to Dr. A.K. Poddar, मैं भीख नहीं मांगा. मैं इस देश को भीख मत मांगो सिखा रहा हूं. So the whole reversal comes from doctor. Take a country like Cuba. What is that they teach us? For every 500 to 600 population, they have selected a doctor family to take care of the pain of the society at large instead of only medical pain. So please understand that as a professional, you are not just that stethoscope and a prescription. I was dealing with pharma company as a senior vice president operation. When we used to go to doctor to approach, we were only trying to tell doctor that my medicine is the best. But the best medicine is with the doctor's psychological treatment which he gives to patient when he enters. अरे बैठो, आपको कोई problem नहीं है. I'll take care of you. These are the words that soothe. These are the words that make the difference. So I will not take much time because this function is a different function. It's a function of vaibhav, function of enjoyment, a lot of fun. My hearty congratulations to all of you. 60% of the girls are coming doctor from BGS, if I am correct. 60% are girls and 40% are boys. I always believed that what women can do, men can never do. Very simple reason that all our gold medal in Olympic comes because of women. The stage is changed. The country is changed. Out of 84 crores youth we have in this country is heading for a big change because the women empowerment has happened in this country. This is I as a man speaking. Dear friends, though we have a big mustache and lot of dadi, but let us understand that we need to gear up ourselves. Earlier, our Dr. Saab was very correctly telling 75% were male doctors, 25% were female. Now it is reverse. क्या हो रहा है? जरा सोचना पड़ेगा. So let's get back to serious working and thank to all the Stree Shakti and Stree Shakti of the doctors especially. India is in safe hands. India is in safe hands. At a time when country is heading for a big change, I will lastly tell you something which should connect to your heart. An institute which is run by a spiritual master can always be excellent, superb, because it thinks of love first. The love first, the doctors also is taught in this institute, the love first concept will be the best concept you can deal when you are dealing with your patient. Thank you very much. So kind of you for giving me this opportunity. God bless you all. Have a great time. But nothing is complete without one word. Bharat Mata ki. Bharat Mata ki. Bharat Mata